Here are top 3 news of today. Medanta has commenced operations at its new 110-bed hospital in Ranchi. Now, this facility is expandable to 150 beds and is located near its existing 200-bed hospital. Number 2 is Inox Wind. They bagged a 51 megawatt order from the First Energy or the Thermax group. Number 3 is this new IPO that came out recently called the Leela Hotel. Now they have a planned capex of 400 crores with 100 crores already spent and 130 crores allocated for 5 hotels over the next 2.5 years for FY26. They are also targeting a net debt to EBITDA of 2.5x in the medium term, which is considered good. Now the FY26 guidance also includes double-digit EBITDA growth, occupancy in low 70 range and mid to high teens overall growth rate as well. Now the company is planning to reach 2,000 crores of EBITDA by FY30, driven by same store growth, new hotels and high margin verticals. If you want to know more about this, follow me, Shashank Gudappa.